G'day, we're on the lovely seaside town of Seaspray on the 90 Mile beach. So join us as we explore Seaspray. Seaspray is a small coastal town located along the 90 Mile beach in Gippsland. It is 242 kilometres from Melbourne and 32 kilometres from the nearest main town of Sale. The nearest fuel is around 30 kilometres away. The Seaspray Caravan Park is the main accommodation in Seaspray. That's us right there. Alright, so we've heard that there's some live music at the Surf Lifesaving Club, so we're going to head over there right now.
Look at one excited puppy there.
Yeah, he's happy. He's a happy boy.
Hey Chino, guess where are we going now?
That's a Lifesaving Club.
Ooh.
Stop making a fool out of me, hey, yeah. Come on over, Valerie. Oh, Valerie. Come to this place, the guys and me and you. We hated our ways, conversation true. What you waiting for? What you waiting on?
Cheers.
Started on string kills, then it started fighting. It sounded better.
Pretty good view from here.
He was riding through the gate. When it was pouring rain out of the little. See where we go. See where we go. See where we go.
So this is the site of the original Seaspray Bakery, and according to the sign here, it was in 1933 he purchased this land, and the bakery finally closed in 1960. Now there's nothing left of it. There's a new house here. By the way, it is for sale. You can see the sale sign there. And I checked on the website, it's $9 to $9.50 for sale if you want to buy it, but this is the site of the original bakery. Well, one of the neat little things they've done along this little foreshore area is they've put up these signs. It was only done in about November 22, and different signs, and this is one about a guy called Banusi, and he actually lived across the road from here, and he built a little playground and a slide for the kids. Unfortunately, the slide wasn't allowed to be used for long because of all the children that were suffering from splinters. Ouch. Alright, so this sign tells the story of the Seaspray General Store, which was opened in 1914 by Joseph Irvine. The store actually burnt down in 1923. There are a few others opened. The one you see there today was actually a post office established in the 1960s and is now the Seaspray General Store. So tennis began in Seaspray in January 1923. They had 2 earth courts with a rope as a net between the two, and eventually back in about 1927 they ended up with the 4 courts you see there today. Wow, so this one here depicts the 2 major floods they've had in Seaspray. One was in 1952 and the other was in 1978. And you can see the whole town is actually flooded. So the foreshore was gazetted in 1876, and this area along here actually used to be a foreshore campground before they closed it. And then of course they built the Caravan Park, which we're staying at. We'll show you some of the old cars and the old tents and stuff back in the, looks like the 40s and 50s. Quite amazing. Ice cream? No ice cream for Chino? Alright, so now we're heading off to the island. Now what you do is you park near the Memorial Reserve playground and you come through this little like laneway and you follow this path and it takes you to the island. The island. I wonder if there's any treasure on this island. I doubt very much. Whoa. Look what I just spotted. It's an echidna. He's just going for a walk along the grass here. Hey little fella. He's ripping the bark apart, look at that. Wow. Oh, I think he's trying to get to those ants. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's eating all the ants. Wow. Alright, another day, but the weather's not quite with us. It looks nice and blue, but the wind is absolutely blowing a gale. So we're tucked in here under the awning, and Bernadette's gone in to get a couple of burgers. We'll see what she comes out with. That wind is shocking. So we've headed back to the van. Now we're going to have our lunch, burger, and what'd you get? Fish and chips?
Yeah, fish and chips for
So I'll
me.
check those out in a second. But wow, you can hear this wind just blowing a gale. So
And it's so windy out there.
all right, let's get tucked in.
I'm hungry. What'd you get?
Burger with a lot.
Oh, let's have a look.
There we go. Alright, it's going to be messy though.
Oh,
Fucking
hang
rain.
on. Show me what's in there. What's with the
right.
burger of the lunch?
It's like eggs and patty and tomato and lettuce and it's like beetroot or something. Yeah, beetroot.
Oh, that was nice. Nice?
Yep, good.
Okay.
Alright, so what's yours?
Oh, good old fish and chips for me.
Roll fish and chips.
Yeah. Got some chips to share.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That's the minimum amount actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Gee, it's quite big.
I've got one each chips to share.
Alright.
Okay.
One of the first things you're going to see when you rock up into Seaspray is this great looking artwork, which is actually from a tree trunk. Alright, so we're about to head off down the road about 18 minutes from the Caravan Park here in Seaspray to what's called the wreck of the Trulo. I think that's how it's pronounced. Now, I don't think there's a lot left of it, but we'll go and have a look and see what's there. Alright, let's go. See his face. Look at him. Bit of wind. Alright, I think we're done. I think we're heading back to the car. Gee. Alright, so we just almost got blown off the beach. So we're just going to head up a little bit to Golden Beach, which is about 5 minutes up the road. And maybe there's a general store there. We'll see if we can grab an ice cream. Alright, so here we are at Golden Beach. One of those like Milo ice cream tub type ones. Yep. Okay. Oh, look, Chino, she's coming. What'd you get? Milo cups. Excellent. Were you eating in the car or outside? I don't know. I'm blown away.
How about we drive to the view of the water? I think we did it last time.
Alright, we'll go and have a look, so we can see if we can find somewhere to sit and eat our ice creams.
Sounds good.
And not get blown away. Well, not quite the beach views we were hoping for, but at least we ate our ice creams. Alright, well, we're pretty much packed up and ready to go. As you can see, the sun's come out and there's no wind, unfortunately. Today we're leaving, but with a little bit of time, we're just going to head down to the beach and give Chino a bit of a run before we chuck him in the car. Alright, there's Bernadette in the background.
Hi.
Alright, let's go for a walk. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed our little adventure around Seaspray. Fortunately the weather's getting really nice, but unfortunately we have to leave on to our next spot. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and join us on our next one as we explore Australia.